Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make peanut chutney for dosa at your home. So let's start the recipe. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a peanut chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for the peanut chutney, what we need here is the raw peanuts, and I took 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanuts. I used this spoon, guys, and we have to dry roast this one without adding any oil in the pan. So we have to dry roast for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is the best chutney and easy chutney for idli and dosa. You can prepare under 5 minutes, guys. So can you see, guys, a lot of cracks in the peanuts. So that means it is ready and it's time to switch off the flame. So can you see many skin has been removed automatically. When it becomes cool down, we have to remove the skin of the peanuts. So when it becomes cool down, guys, we have to remove the skin of the peanuts. So can you see, guys? So it's very easy to remove. So it's nicely done, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to blow up all the skin of the peanuts. So I put the peanuts in the blender, guys, and here I'm adding the 2 chilies. If you want more spice, you can add 3 to 4 chilies, which gives more spicy in the chutney. And in this, I'm going to add a little piece of tamarind. Here I'm adding a little piece of tamarind, which gives a tangy taste in the chutney. And in this, I'm going to add some salt. So here I added the salt. So up to your choice how much salt you want in your chutney. And I'm going to add some water. So here I'm adding the water. So this chutney should be very thin, guys. This is how they made in the hotel. And if you want to add the coconut, you can add the coconut. But I'm not going to add the coconut. If you want to add garlic, you can add the garlic too. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. I'm going to grind this one as a smooth paste. So can you see, guys, I grind this one as a very smooth paste. So this should be like this, in this consistency. It should be very thin, guys. So it's time to do the tempering. Take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, the hing powder, some fresh curry leaves. So here I'm adding the fresh curry leaves and 1 red chili. And I'm going to add this one in the chutney. So the chutney is ready, guys. Can you see how it looks? Very tempting, guys. And it's time to prepare dosa. And I will show you how to pour the chutney in the dosa. And here I am making dosa for the chutney, guys. If you want the recipe of the dosa batter, I will put the link in the description box so that you can prepare the dosa batter at home. So this is idli and dosa batter, guys. So dosa will be very crisp. So here is the dosa and here is the chutney, guys. I will show you. So that's why this is how we put the chutney in the dosa in South India, guys. And here I am making one more dosa. So this is a quick video of how to make peanut chutney for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.